Hello and welcome to your weather. We showed you this graph before of the typical Atlantic hurricane season. We're still in the peak of the Atlantic hurricane season, which runs from mid-August to mid-October. However, there's been a lull recently. The Atlantic has had no tropical storms or hurricanes since Sam on October 5th. However, this has been a very active hurricane season and only one named Wanda remains on the list. And here on the satellite image, we're seeing the remnants of the last disturbance in the middle of the North Atlantic Ocean. And elsewhere, there's a lot of dry air with unfavorable winds, stifling activity now, which will continue for the next few days. The dry air is one of the main reasons that the tropical wave passed with just a few rain clouds. So in Tobago tonight, mostly clear, just patchy clouds and the passing shower after midnight. The weekend begins mostly sunny across Tobago from Charlottesville to Buku. In the afternoon, the long spells of sunshine will make for a warm day across Tobago with little relief from the wind either. Trinidad tonight, it should be a good night for stargazers if you're like me. Expect mostly clear skies and a calm condition overnight. Saturday, expect a sunny start and long sunny periods through much of the morning. You'll feel the heat through the afternoon with little to gentle winds expected and only the brief shower favoring western areas of Trinidad, particularly near hillsides. For South Trinidad, similarly sunny morning is expected in places like Rio Claro and Moruga. Meanwhile, closer to the Gulf of Paria along western areas, you may pick up a few showers here. However, there is a low chance of it being heavy or thundery, though there is still the threat of street flooding and gusty winds. And temperature-wise, today felt hot, 32.7 degrees Celsius at Piarco and 31.6 degrees Celsius at Crown Point. Tonight will feel warm with 25 degrees Celsius in Trinidad and 27 degrees Celsius in Tobago. And tomorrow will feel hot, expect 33 degrees Celsius at Piarco and 32 degrees Celsius at Crown Point. If you have chores outdoors, keep hydrated and avoid overexertion during the hottest part of the day, typically between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. And for gardeners on Sunday, there's a likelihood for showers, especially across the hills of Tobago. Meanwhile, in Trinidad, rain clouds will gather over the western areas, leading to the isolated thunder shower on Sunday, and this will repeat on Monday and Tuesday. Fisherfolk and boaters, the hazardous seas alert was discontinued earlier today as the northerly swells have lost most of their energy. Swells have shortened today, and on Saturday, waves will drop to 1.5 meters with gentle southeasterly winds and a slight to moderate chop. And to recap, this weekend you'll see lots of sunshine and in between the occasional shower. Take care in the heat and have a good weekend.